jacks and I'll be watching.
Okay.
I've been lowering the jacks.
Boys, I'm doing the jacks, so make sure that they go on the pads.
Right now?
Yep.
Alright, Mom, you want to make sure all the yellow lights are off on the jack stand.
They are. They're all red.
All red, and we're good. And help Mom to know that the slides are all clear. 100% clear.
Alright, pick everything up off the floor. You guys go look at the bedroom.
When they give you clearance, you can open, Mom.
This slide's clear.
Okay. Alright.
Alright, the rubber piece, like behind the slide. So it's up. Should I like...
Let's see.
Nature.
Back there?
Yeah.
No, it's good. That's fine. The driver's seat's good?
We're good.
Alright, good job, gentlemen.
If they're all out, you can shut the engine off.
Okay.
Anything else?
Put the hot water heater on electric.
Yes. Ethan, get the hot water.
Okay, and then open some windows. How about like the kitchen window?
No, we'll leave that one closed. That one's open over there.
This one?
Yeah, that one's already open.
Okay. So that's good. Push that.
Alright.
Hello, hello. We are in the car. We made it to South Beach State Park in Newport. Got our site. We're all settled in. We had a late lunch today. Decided that after we ate, it is about 10 minutes to 6, and we're gonna go down to Newport. Good place to see the seals at the boat docks, and a quick internet search said we need to try the clam chowder at Moe's. You gotta love it. As soon as we get out the car, oceans stink. It's incredible. Come here, guys. We're gonna cross over here.
It smells great.
Yep.
That's what you people have been talking about in that song.
Well, Jasper had gas.
It had.
That sounds about right.
It's a big crab trap.
Smell that?
They know we're fun.
Guys, look over there. It's an otter, I think.
Where?
In the water. Oh, that's an otter.
Seal or an otter?
That's an otter.
Oh, he just went down.
It's an otter.
It's a really cool little town. Newport has a very authentic fishing town vibe. You got the Newport Pacific Seafood Company of Newport here, who is, I mean, they're taking stuff off of boats and loading them on forklifts and putting them in trucks and sending them out to grocery stores, I suppose, and restaurants.
There's one thing this place has that
New Orleans doesn't have.
What's that?
All the seals, sea lions, and whatever else they might have.
That's true. We don't have those. You know, I could buy a crab if I can find some crabs. Alright, I think we found where we can get some crabs. Those folks are leaving the Wahoo with some bags.
Let's go.
Ethan's been dealing with sunburn since when?
2 days ago.
Where?
Lake Tahoe. Yeah, Lake Tahoe.
Tahoe. That's like a week ago.
Yeah.
So we went into Moe's. We got our bowl size of the clam chowder. We're going to let you know what we think. You come to Newport, you have to get Moe's clam chowder.
Y'all drooling?
Oh, step right up.
Don't eat over the bowl where everybody's gonna be eating. What do you think, Jazz?
Never really had clam chowder. It was good.
You've not? You like it? Ethan, what do you think?
Better than I thought it would be.
What do you think, Owen?
It's good.
Hot?
Yes, very hot.
We had to cut our clam chowder review short. It seemed like it's 7:30, right at about sunset. How do we describe it? Some shady characters invaded the street. It felt like an invasion.
Yeah.
Like all at once, there were just plenty of
They
them.
all came out.
And you know, came up and talked to us, asked if our chowder was leftovers, and so we cut the camera, started walking quickly,
Whoa, 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 whoa.
and got here in the car. And so we're gonna take the clam chowder back to the campground, which is conveniently 5 minutes from here. So while we're on this subject, we've had 2 Oregon state parks now where the ranger or the whoever it is that we check in with has warned us to keep things locked. Keep, you know, on this here they said keep your bikes locked, and we are just seeing a ton of California headed too.
I think Washington's gonna be worse, is what Mary says.
Yeah, it's very uncomfortable feeling. Well, it's the next morning. I didn't get around to closing out the night last night for you. We were tired. But we are here at South Beach State Park, and I recognize that I haven't shown you the campsite yet. So here's our campsite. Pretty nice. Neighbors are right there. It's a very busy little campground. Or I shouldn't say little, because there's hundreds of campsites. There's like inner loops that had this green space in the background, and then the outer loops, which they put us on, and we back up real nicely to some private area. And I see another Tiffin open road across the way that is that I've been wanting to go say hello to, but I never catch them outside. You know those Tiffin people, I think they sit inside and sit in their massage chairs all day or something. You know, when you're on the road, things happen. And you may remember from a few episodes ago that we had the trailer wire, or the tow car lights, the little magnetic lights on the back there. Those lights, the plug had come out, dragged on the ground, ruined the plug. So we've been driving around for a few days with just the one light. This is the piece that plugs into the back of the motorhome, and you can see it's supposed to be 3 of these. One of them broke off when it was dragging, and then this one got all ate up. So I'm going to cut this off. If you notice, white, brown, yellow, green. At Walmart for $5, you can buy this little piece. It's meant to be an extension. Got these little connectors, which are probably good to have around anyway. You know, do you have to be a mechanic if you RV? No. Certainly would help. Do you have to be handy? Yes. Yeah, if you're not willing to do little things like this, RVing would eat you alive by paying other people to do simple things, because things like this happen almost with every use. These wire strippers came from my grandpa Ernie. He was an electrician. Spent a lot of time in his garage when I was younger, and very appreciative of everything he shared with me. Not that I'm an electrician. Good morning. How are you? All right, making repairs. So here's my new plug. Got all my connectors on. Here's a final job. Got my new connector. Everything's brand new. Might would have looked prettier if done at home, but for on the road, it's going to get us where we need to go.